I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here for the weekly collaboration of quick and easy meals. This collaboration is hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle and Jean Home Decor and more, along with me, Jennifer at Home. Tonight, I'm going to be making a super easy, wonderful summer salad. It's going to be homemade coleslaw. I've added 1/2 tablespoon of sugar. If you want to make this low carb, just add 1 tablespoon of Stevia sweetener instead. And I'm also going to add in my 1 cup of mayonnaise. This recipe just takes a couple of minutes to put together, and it is so delicious and perfect for summer. We're going to add in 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. We'll add in 1½ teaspoons of white or apple cider vinegar. I'm going to get this all mixed together. This is going to be our wonderful sauce for our coleslaw. If you'd like, you can add salt, pepper, and celery seed. Now that we have our sauce made and all stirred up, we're going to just take our coleslaw and we're going to dump it in. And this is a 16-ounce bag. Once I dump it in, I start carefully looking to see if there are any really great big giant pieces like this that can either be broken down, or I just take these out and throw these away. We don't want anyone to get a hard bite like this either. That's a part of the core of the cabbage. And there we have it. In just a minute, we put together this wonderful, beautiful, colorful coleslaw. Once I finish making my coleslaw, I love to take it and store it in the refrigerator at least 2 to 3 hours before serving. That way the flavors can blend nicely together. I'm so glad you were here tonight for my coleslaw recipe on Quick and Easy Meals. This collaboration is held every Sunday evening at 7:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll have the other 2 participating channels, Anna and Jean's channels, listed below. Be sure to check them out, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next week.